you want to set your keyboard to sound this way? So this is PSR E463. I'm going to show you guys the best way to set your PSR E463 for worship to sound this way. So I'm using grand piano as my main voice and one part as my dual. Let me put it on the fourth and start from afresh. So portable grand piano. So let me start from afresh. It's on grand piano, which is my main voice. The first thing I'm going to set is my main voice volume. To do that, I click on this function here. You see, I look for M volume. Hope you're following. Just look for your M volume and increase the. We are going to increase the volume. Yeah, M volume, M volume, M volume. Yeah. Yes, it's on 122. 122 is okay. So after setting your main volume, the next thing you're going to set up is your M release. Your M release. You see, put it in on 110, 110, 110. You see? Let me show you the difference. If it's on 063 now, you see, it's not giving that sustain. But if you have a sustain pedal, you won't set this. Unless if you don't have a sustain pedal. See the difference? So after setting up the M release or sustain, or you can call it sustain, the next thing you're going to set is your dual voice. You are going to be using one pad. So you click and hold down your dual. One pad is on 600. 600. So it's your one pad. Get it? So next thing is your dual volume. The volume of this one pad. See? You click on function, then you use this arrow to get it. You see? Let's put it at. Let's increase it to like 115. Hope you're following. So the dual volume is on 115. Hope you're getting it. So after setting your dual volume, the next thing you're going to do is you're not going to set the dual octave. The octave is on 0. You leave it at 0. Yeah. The next thing you're going to try it out. To do that, you click on your dual. Understand? Then let's check it out. You see? You can choose to increase your dual volume anyhow you like it. Let's put it in 120. You see? So without the dual, see how it sounds. Let me switch it off. You see? But with the dual, you get this. So after setting it, let's set our harmony. You had click on your harmony. Let's use duet. So after doing it, you increase the volume to 127. After that, you now activate it. So let's see what we just set. Let me just play something with it. I will lift my voice. I will sing holy, holy. See how nice it sounds? So this is how to set up your keyboard for worship on PSR E463. The best way to set it up. And you get this kind of sound. So, hope you learned something in this very tutorial. I keyboard for worship on PSR E463, the best way to set it up. So if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please do well to like, subscribe, share, drop your comments. Thank you guys. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.